Hey guys, can you say AT here? And I'm finally doing another tutorial. Hooray! Hooray! Yay! And this is going to be the tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server. The part 2 will be on how to port forward with the router that I'm using. If you conveniently know how to have that router, then that's good. So let's start here and okay, you don't need to see that. I was just randomly watching something. You don't need to see that. Anyway, so first where you're going to go to, if you want to make a bucket server at least. Well, first, actually, what you're going to do is, you're going to right click on your desktop, go to new, and click on well, you have to hover over new, then still hover over the new, and go to the right, and click folder. Once you're in the folder, let's just say, and rename whatever you want. Let's just say test server. And so now it is the test server. You can open that up, and hurrah. Don't need that. Okay, this is what I need. So you're going to go to bucket.org. This is where you're going to get craft bucket from. So let's go get craft bucket. It's gonna load here in a second. Here we go. Now you're gonna click on get craft bucket, and right now you're going to click get the craft bucket recommended build. But as you see, that's for 1.4.7. We don't want it for 1.4.7. We want it for the latest version, which is 1.5.1. So let's get that. So let's just search craft buckets 1.5.1. Okay. So it's gonna load here in a couple seconds. There we go. And the beta build. Pretty sure the beta build's better than the development build. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So let's go download that. I'll put it in the description, so you guys don't have to wait. Like, oh my god. Now it's gonna take 6 to 7 minutes to upload this, so I'm just going to pause the recording until that happens. So yeah. Okay guys, it is back. I'm back. Well, not it's back. I am back. And it's finally loaded. So let's drag it into our folder and then right click and click rename and just rename it to craft bucket. Next, you're going to go to the setting up a server, and if you're on Windows, you are going to highlight this code and then do Control-C or just hit copy. Next, you're going to go to your folder, right-click, go to new, and then hit the button that says text document. Now it's going to open up this new text document, and it'll open up Notepad. You don't have to download Notepad. It just automatically comes. It automatically it's automatically on your computer when you first get it. So now you're gonna do paste or Control V. And so now that you have it here, you're gonna click File, Save As, and now this is a really important thing. Well, first I'm gonna go to my test server. First, you're going to say save as type all files, and then you are going to rename this to be start.bat. This is a batch file that you'll need to start your server. So click save. Now you can delete the test document, which is already probably deleted. So now that you have this here start batch file, you're going to click it and then it will start the server. As you see, it is starting the server. Now we'll wait until it's done loading, so then I can show you all of what's happening. So now it says it's done. So now we're just gonna click stop. And as you see, the plugins, the world another, the world, and the band IPs, band players, bucket, craft bucket, help, ops, permissions, server, and then starting the whitelist. So everything's there, and yeah, that's how you make a Minecraft server, guys. In the next tutorial, part 2, which is gonna come out right after this one, I'll show you how to port forward on the router that I am using. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, KHCAT here for part 2 on how to make a Minecraft server. Well, this is going to be how to port forward and how it really works. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the CMD. So go into your search bar, whatever you're using, and hit C, then M, then D, then press enter. You'll open up the command prompt. That kind of looks like the start on your start server. So what you're going to type in is you're going to type in ipconfig, and what you're going to do is it's going to show you all your addresses and all that stuff for your IP. So as you see, if you look into the default gateway, it's going to say 10.0.0.1. So now you're going to go into your web browser and go into a new tab, and then just type in 10.0.0.1. Authentication required. If you don't know it, it's actually pretty simple. For your if you have a Netgear router, you're just gonna, for the username, you're just gonna type in admin. This is just the default username and password, and then the password is going to be password. So once you log in, you can also change your password stuff, so other people can't, like hack into your account. So anyway, if you have this router, then you can continue watching this video. If you don't, then I can't really help you. You may need to find a different tutorial. So let's go to port forwarding and port triggering. And you're going to see I already have one here, so I'm just going to delete it. Alright, I mean my clumsy ways. Okay. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add custom service. Type in here, Minecraft, exactly how it's spelled. Exactly how it is right here with the capital M. You don't have to change any of these to a TCP or a UDP. Just do TCP/UDP. Then you're gonna, for your starting point, you're gonna want it to be 25565. And for the ending point, you're gonna also want it to be 25565. And then for your server IP address, you're going to put your IPv4 address in, which should be on the top, right here, right on top of subnet mask, which is right on top of the default gateway on wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. And IPv4 is 10.0.0.6. So now that we have all the information we need, we'll put that there. So now that we have that, click apply, and you have officially port forwarded your server. Now how do we get on the server, and how do you make it so your friends get on the server? Well, that's easy. So you're going to go onto your test server, click on the server properties file, change it to anything you want. So, like max 20 players, it's fine. I'm just going to put 1 just for a test. And the server IP is going to be 10.0.0.6, our IPv4 address. And that's really all you need for the players to join. You can just click save, click X, and then start your server. Now, but your IPv4 address is not the IP you're going to want to give to your friends. So, where you're going to search is so you're going to go to Google, and you're going to search, what is my IP? And it's going to say it right here. And my IP tends to change a lot, so I don't really care if you see this. This is what you're going to give to your friends. Your IP, and now work. So if I go into Minecraft right here, and I'm just going to put in my password. And then, copy and paste, copy this address just to see if it works. So I'm just gonna go into my multiplier servers and click Control V. This is gonna be our IP that will work, as you see right over here. It also will work for your IPv4 address if you're the owner of the server. So that's really cool. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial because I did. I like making tutorials for people. So, hope you enjoyed, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.